Hello friends and my dear students. Most welcome my photon physics classes channels. Now we will discuss about today what it means the current and electricity current, define of the current. That is it means different type of the currents. So that this chapter class 12th physics chapter number 3 very important chapter for exam purpose. So we will discuss about the current. It means you are watching on screens that electric current amount of the charge flowing across the per unit time. It means we can say another word, the number of charge flow per unit time is called current. The current is denoted by I equal to Q upon T. It means this is a basic formula Q upon T, that it means Q is the charge of coulombs, T is the time. So SI unit is a current is ampere, that is my unit ampere. It means we can use the simple definition, the number of electrons flow per second is called current. This is a simple definition of current. After that, it means you are watching, define the 1 ampere. It means flow of the 1 coulomb charge per second is called, it's called 1 ampere. So this is a basic definition of the 1 amperes and current. After that, we will discuss about that the rate of flow varies with time. It means the rate flow of varies with time. Then it means the current is varying according the times. So the formula I is equal to limit delta t delta q upon delta t, या dq over t, the rate change of the per unit time. This is a variable formula. After that, it means we will discuss that type of current. Generally we know the type is current, two type, DC current and AC current. The DC current, it means the direct of current, that is a no change of directions but magnitude will be changed. So this is a direct of current. AC means that is alternate current, magnitude change with direction is called magnitude current. So this is two type of the current, simple, that DC and AC. After that, we will discuss about that this chapter, it means current density. Suppose the conductor E, electrons flow in the conductor. After that, cross section area A and length is the L. So current density is defined flow of the current per unit time. Flow of current per unit time. Flow of current per unit time. So it means this is a basic formula of current density, J equal to flow of current per unit time. It's called current density. Suppose the electron is flowing in this conductor, area is the cross section area. So J is equal to I upon A. This is a formula, J is equal to I upon A. I is the flow of the current per unit area. So I is equal to J into cos theta. Why are you taking the cos theta? It means cos theta, that is a, suppose this, it means cross section area. The electron flow is the cross section area, but it means we can change of the area safe, that is between angle. So that it means cos theta will have between angle, current flow directions or area of directions. So we will take it between cos theta. The finalized formula JA cos theta, when theta is equal to 0, because the direction of current and area of directions, there will be same direction, though theta equal to 0 degree. So we will take value cos 0 is equal to 1. So then it means final formula I is equal to JA. After that, it means the current density, unit of the current density, that it means ampere meter square. So that is ampere meter square. So this is it means basic definition of the current density. After that, we will discuss about the electromotive force. It means electromotive force means it is a energy supplied by the source in taking unit positive charge one around the complete circuit. It is equal to the terminal measured open circuit. It means we can say EMF मतलब electromotive force applied of the source, the one electron completely around the circuit. This is called electromotive force. Where we are used generally open circuit. After that, EMF formula, work done upon charge. It means the amount of work done per unit charge is called EMF. This is a basic formula. That after that indicate the E is equal to W upon Q. This is a EMF. That is a EMF, generally electromotive force. We will use many battery sources, the connected series and parallel, so we will calculate the value. After that, it means we will discuss resistance. You know resistance. Resistance is the approach of the current in the circuit is called resistance. That we know that it means two electrons collide each other and that is temperature increasing. So it's called that, it means increasing the resistance. Resistance R is equal to V upon I. SI unit of the resistance ohms. Suppose this circuit, it means you can see that is electrons zigzag moving and collide each other. After that, it means the speed of electrons very slowly, because the temperature will be increased. So resistance also will be increased. After that, it means we can say, in other words, the approach of the current is called resistance. The resistance R is equal to V upon I. This is a basic formula. R is the resistance, which is the voltage, and I is the current. Define the 1 ohms. It means 1 ampere flow applied of the 1 volt in the circuit is called 1 ohms. This is a 1 ohms of the formula. So it means we have discussed today about that, it means what is a current and current density and resistance, different type the definitions. After that, it means understand the language of current, current density and resistance, simple definition of the current, amount of charge per unit time is called current, simple definition, and the flow of the current per unit area is called current density, and approach of the current is called resistance. So we will discuss about this video the electric current and electromotive force and resistance. So this is a basic definition of the current. Thank you.